Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to use the brightness and contrast graphical effect in our Qt QML application. Today in this video I will show you how to use the color overlay graphic effect in our Qt QML application. So what is the color overlay? In simple term we can say when we put our color as glass in our monochrome image in grayscale image, okay? So that effect is just like that. Okay, so now let's use that effect and import your Qt graphical effect. Now let's create the one item to display the image and apply the graphic effect. Okay, so set the parent width, just like a parent width and height. Parent dot width and height is also like a parent dot height. Okay, now set the anchor property. So anchor center in our parent control. Okay, now let's how to create the image. So now let's create the ID as a source image. Okay, here we have to provide the source, so just simply I copy that the link. This is the line, okay, which I already show you in other videos. Now set the source size also. Parent dot width and parent dot height also. Apply the smooth property. Smooth is the true and visible is the false. Okay, now let's use the color overlay. So this is the color overlay. We have to provide the our anchor fill property, which is our source image, and what is our source where we have to apply the color overlay effect, and here we have to provide the one color. Okay, and one more property is the first of all let's define the color. So here there's a two parts. Okay, so first to 0 is our transparency and then our color value. Okay, so let's define the fix green value. Okay, so I define the green value hexadecimal and this is the our transparent. Okay, so when you can see when I hover on this effect, you can see that it's completely transparent. Okay, now here we have to provide the catch. So what will property do is for the smooth rendering. Now let's run the application. So you can see this is the currently raw image because we here provide here as a 0 0 our transparency. Now let's change the transparency. Let's set the 80 or 90. Now let's when you hover on this effect, you can see the light green color is also appeared. Now let's check this. So you can see the green color is overlay on the our line. So when you write here double F, which is completely full color, just like in simple term we can say it's a full color. So you can see the effect the wall green color was applied on the our full line image. So you can see. So you can adjust the transparency according it, or also you can change the color here. So now also you can change the color. Let's set the any random AC. Okay, so now let's hover on this color. You can see this is the light shine color. Okay, so you can see that color is also applied, or also you can adjust the transparency like 20 or 90, just like a hexadecimal value, which is our color value is 0 to 25. Okay, 225 255, sorry. Now let's run the application. So you can also change see the effect when you write any color value, when you hover on this color property. So you can see that specific thumbnail or inside of a image of preview you can see here. Okay, so you can see this is a color is overlay on the our line image and this is our row image. Okay, so while So you can see this is our raw and original image. Okay, so this is the color overlay effect in our Qt QML graphical effects control. So please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like this video and share this video to your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.